Welcome to the latest NERC penalty update from Certrec, your trusted source for regulatory insights and industry compliance news. Recently, a NERC-registered entity was found non-compliant with NERC Reliability Standard PRC-5 Requirement 3, resulting in a $141,000 civil penalty. This case highlights the importance of rigorous documentation and maintenance programs for protection systems. Here's what you need to know about the violation. The entity failed to provide adequate evidence that maintenance activities were performed as required under PRC-5 Requirement 3. Requirement 3 requires entities to provide evidence that protection system components have been maintained according to the defined program intervals. Missing or incomplete records created uncertainty regarding the reliability of critical protection assets. While the violation posed a moderate risk to the bulk electric system, NERC determined that corrective actions were necessary, and steps taken included updating maintenance records, enhancing documentation procedures, and providing additional training for staff responsible for compliance activities. This case underscores that PRC-5 violations often stem not from equipment failure, but from documentation and evidence gaps. Compliance depends on being able to prove that all protection system components are maintained and tested on schedule. To avoid similar penalties, utilities should maintain detailed, verifiable records of all protection system maintenance activities, regularly audit documentation for completeness and accuracy, provide targeted training for staff on evidence retention requirements, implement automated systems to track maintenance intervals and reporting obligations, and establish quality assurance reviews before submitting compliance evidence. For detailed insights into violations, penalties, and corrective actions, visit RegSource at certrec.com/regsource. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon. Certrec delivers expertise and technology to manage regulatory challenges with precision.